Hi, I'm Marriage Coach Lynn, and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're having a great day. This is a great day to celebrate your love. I hope every day you celebrate your love. I am very happy to announce to you that I've decided for the next month to give away 2 of my ebooks for free. I'll go ahead and give you the coupon now, and you can look in the box below for the coupon. The books I want you to have as an offering from me are Reenergize Your Marriage in 21 Days, and that the coupon code, it can be found at smashwords.com. It's an ebook. It is code WD52J. And another book that I've written that I'd like to give, it's yours for the taking up until March 14th, is called Take Back Your Birth, Inspiration for Expectant Moms. That code is NU33W. So go ahead and get a copy and enjoy. And the Reenergize Your Marriage in 21 Days can be helpful on the question that is posed to me today for Let's Get Personal. This is a place where you submit a question and I will share my thoughts on it. So today's question is, what are some ways I can rekindle the romance? And I want to thank you for turning in that question, because some people don't admit it. Some people will say and have a feeling that they generally have a good marriage, but sometimes the romance goes out the door, more so than when they were newly married. You get busy, you might have a couple of kids, your job, your mortgage, etc. So what can you do to rekindle the romance? And the key is in the small things. What happens is when you don't do the small things, it can erode into big things. You will hear people cite reasons for divorce. We grew apart. My partner had an affair. We just didn't see eye to eye. Things were terrible. But usually to get to that point, the romance has gone out and the little things weren't nurtured. And so what do I mean by little things? Here are some examples. And again, in my book, you'll find many, many examples. Just during the day, make a phone call to your spouse. Hey, how you doing? I was just thinking about you. I love you. Hope you're having a good day. All right, didn't want to take much of your time. We'll see you tonight. Bye. Or out of the blue, you can do something spontaneous and unusual. Maybe you don't usually ask your spouse if they need anything on the way home. Can I run you an errand? Call up and just, hey, can I swing by anywhere and pick something up for you? Oh, well, yeah, as a matter of fact, you can save me some time from going to the grocery store and picking up a couple of items for tonight's dinner. Okay, so the little things are nurturing your affection and your fun, and those are really important. Doing small little recreational activities, just taking 3 to 5 minutes out after dinner, sitting on the couch and talking, and then go on with your busy evening. But to continuously nurture in small ways every single day will actually make you feel romantic. Hugs, give a hug a day. I'm a big proponent of a hug a day. And the real things I want to mention is time together, spending time together. You don't have to be creative and come up with these big fancy romantic getaways, ideas, little notes, flowers. You don't even have to do that. It's just being present, being happy, being positive, and really gratitude, an attitude of gratitude, saying please and thank you every now and then, or often, thanking your spouse. That will ward off criticism and complaints and contempt. So to regain the romance, the key is in the little things, attitude of gratitude, being positive. And I want to thank you listeners. I want to thank those of you who are single. And today is Valentine's Day. And if you do not have a partner, but you believe in marriage and maybe hope to someday get married, thanks for stopping by the channel. And it's important for you to have self-love. Be strong in who you are. Just be happy in your state in life, whether you're single, whether you're married, or if you're newly divorced, or if you're looking for love. just be grateful, positive, and happy with your life and in who you are. So Valentine's Day is a day of love. It's not necessarily for couples and for marriage. So I hope you're having a great day and make your marriage great.